Last night I had a chat with my good friend, and we had plans to meet today, go for a walk, and probably pass by somewhere and have a cup of coffee and chat. Since we are on lockdown now, so it's keeping distance and staying away from one another. And last night when we were chatting, this friend of mine was very enthusiastic and very happy and optimistic to see this morning. And he had made plans that let's meet tomorrow morning and we can do A, B, C, D, go for a walk, go for a jog, do stuff. And sad enough, I woke up this morning alive and healthy and with a big smile on the face just to receive some sad news that last night he collapsed, fell on the stairs, and he was taken by ambulance very early in the morning, 3 a.m. Europe time, and he passed away this morning. How grateful am I to see the light of today. Really, if you have woken up and you're alive and you're safe and no accident, no death, nothing, you're not sick, kids are happy, you're smiling, you're healthy, you have a free breath of life, we should thank God. I decided to share this message with a song that has comforted me this morning after the loss of my friend. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did the grace appear the hour I first believed. Through many dangerous toils and snares, I have already come. 'Tis grace that brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now I see. I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining us the sun. We've known as days to sing God's praise than when we first begun. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now I see. Was blind, but now I see. Was blind.